There we go. Show you guys the side really quick. These are the wheels, blacked out, and calipers painted red. You got the Yofer side skirts in the bottom, that nice curve, very aggressive. You got the visors. You got the chrome delete on top as well. And going through, got the louvers, and you got the roof spoiler. And I temporarily have that. And the bottom right here, you got the V3s. You got the duckbill high kick spoiler, you call it, or duckbill spoiler. Looks really great. And then we got the V3s installed and the reflectors, and then we got a T10 diffuser. And also on the sides, we got the gloss black aprons, whatever you call them. Going through. That's the night look. Let me check the lights, see if it works now. No, not yet. It's not dark yet, so not dark enough. Let me just, there you go, turn the lights on, show you guys this beautiful animation. Tell me not, that is awesome. And then on the interior, what I did was a full carbon fiber, the upgrade, check that out. Top, even the chrome delete on the H emblems, that's from, I'll put the link in the description below for everything pretty much. Got them, even those right there. And then we got that up there. I'm just gonna take the cover off. He's gonna do that part. And that's the dash cam, the LCD. Change the light also to white LEDs. Check it out, it's very bright. Center console area. Yep, he's gonna love this. Side, you got the door. You got the door handle in the back. This panel area. And let me show you guys the light real quick. I installed for him. Check it out. Did it for him, the doors. The whole interior. Same thing in the back. I will put the links in the description below for everything, guys. Yeah, stay tuned and make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll turn it off now. Alright, make sure you guys are subscribed and of course enable all notifications. And that's it. Stay tuned for more awesome content coming up, guys. Peace out.